Today we'll cover Pro Tools Foley template session setup. First, log into Edit Share, mount your media drive using M for My Media, and mount the presets export settings drive as well. And then we'll complete the following steps to utilize the Pro Tools Foley recording template that's been created. So you're going to create a Pro Tools projects folder within your media drive if you haven't already done so. You'll drag and drop the Foley_V01 folder from the presets export settings drive into your Pro Tools projects folder. You'll rename this folder in your media drive to Foley, your project title, drama here, _V01, and then you'll unmount the presets export settings drive because you no longer need it. You'll launch the EU control by searching for the application in the bottom left search menu, and you'll ensure that the Avid Artist Mix is connected to the computer. Next, you'll open Pro Tools, select the Projects tab, click Open from Disk, navigate to your media drive, Pro Tools Projects, Foley, then your project title _V01, then select the Foley _V01 Pro Tools project and click Open. And then across the top toolbar, you're going to go up to Setup, Peripherals, Ethernet Controls tab, click Enable UCON, click OK, and now the faders on your Avid Artist Mix should rise up to 0. Now you've set up your Foley template session and you're ready to record.